Hello everyone. In this video we are going to find the value of some angle like 18, 36, 54, 72 degree with the respect to trigo ratio of sin and cos. So first, if I start with sin 18, we will take theta as 18. So can we write 5 theta equals to 90? 5 theta can we write as 2 theta plus 3 theta? Next one, can we write 2 theta as 90 minus 3 theta? So both sides, if I'll apply sin 2 theta equals to sin of 90 minus 3 theta. Sin 2 theta, the formula 2 sin theta cos theta, and sin of 90 minus theta, that is cos theta, so cos 3 theta. So left hand side, already I have used the formula 2 sin theta cos theta. Right hand side, the formula of cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now both sides I will cancel cos theta as theta equals to 18 and cos 18 is not equals to 0. So we can cancel out theta. Whenever you will cancel anything, please do mention that part is not equals to 0, because if that part is equals to 0, so you can't cancel this. So for cos square theta minus 3, this is the right hand side. Now if I write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta, so it will be 2 sin theta equals to 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3. If I take all the terms this side, so 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 equals to 0. If I apply the Acharya method, so sin theta equals to minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So it will be minus b plus minus 20. So root 20 can I write 2 root 5 divided by 2 into 4. This is 2 into 4. So if I cancel 2 both in the numerator and denominator, I will get two values. One is minus 1 plus root 5 by 4, another one minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. But this one is negative term. As it is sin 18 is first quadrant, so it can't be negative. So the value of sin 18 we got as root over of 5 minus 1 divided by 4, which is also equals to cos 72, right? Because 18 and 72, they are complementary angle. Correct? So further, if I will proceed and try to find the value of cos 18. So cos 18 can we write as root over of 1 minus sin square 18. So it will be root over of 1 minus sin 18 is this whole square of this. So root over of 1 minus a minus b whole square. In the numerator it will be 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So 16 will be LCM. So it will be 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5. So ultimate calculation will be root over of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. So this is the value of cos 18, which is also the value of sin 72, right? Because 18 and 72, they are complementary angles. So now we are left out with 36 and 54, which are also complementary angle. So first we are going to prove the value of, well, rather we are going to find the value of cos 36. So cos 36 can we write cos 2 into 18, and cos 2 theta formula, that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 18 we know sin 18 as root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. So it will be, put the value over here, just check. So it will be 1 minus 2 root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 whole square. So 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1, 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So if I just simplify this thing, so it will be 8. Further, if I can take 2 common from the numerator, is 6 minus 2 root 5, right? So 2 common, if I take it, is 3 minus root 5 divided by 8. So further, if I simplify, I'll get 4 here, right? So if I just take the LCM now, 4 minus 3 plus root 5, which is equals to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. This is the value of cos 36. So this will be also the value of sin 54, right? Because 36 and 54 are complementary angle. This is the value of cos 36, as I am mentioning again and again. So now sin 36 will be root over of 1 minus cos square 36, right? So root over of 1 minus cos 36 is this. So if I put the value root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 whole square, and just so 1 minus 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 divided by 16. So 16 LCM, 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5. So if I just take the root, it will be root over of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. So just check, you will find lots of the first thing is sin 36. Sin 36 also we can write as cos 54. Now if you just try to just find the relation, just check. If I just remember the formula of sine, so sine 18 was equals to root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. This is sine 18. Sine 36 is root over of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. This is sine 36. Now sine 54. Sine 54 is root over of 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Just check. Sine 18 was root 5 minus 1 divided by 4, and sine 54 is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So you can just find the relation over there, and in fact they are conjugate to each other. Their product, the numerator will be 4 will be. And let's check. Sine 36 was root over of 10 minus 2 root 5 divided by 4. That was sine 36. And what is sine 72? Root over of 10 plus 2 root 5 divided by 4. Again, just the sign, there is a change over there. So I hope by this you can just remember this formula. We have to apply this formula. So from the next video, I will show you some important sum, very important sum related to compound angle transformation and multiple sum multiple, whichever formula required for this sum, we will use it. Thank you. Please try to learn this formula and try to know the formula by proof, because in exam there is chance that you will forget the proof and you will forget the formula and you have to prove then and there. Thank you all of you.